Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading for October. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we have for you starting 15th of October till the end of this month. So let's go ahead and begin. The first card that I see for you is Nine of Pentacles. We have the Queen of Pentacles and we have the Nine of Wands. Now, Nine of Pentacles means a single independent energy where you're doing really well for yourself. Okay, so you are in this single energy, you're doing financially good for yourself, and that's something a lot of people see about you. Now, let's go ahead and take a clarifying card to understand why we have this Nine of Pentacles for you. So, the clarifying card is Six of Wands. This means that you want victory in some situation. It could be anything. It could be a relationship, it could be your business, your profession, but you want victory in that situation. You want to come out as a winner, and that's why you are right now single independent and you're putting all your energy to make sure that you come out as a winner. Now the second card that I see here is the Queen of Pentacles. With Queen of Pentacles, it means that you are doing financially really good for yourself, where you are enjoying all the luxuries of your life. Now let's go ahead and take another clarifying card here to see why we have this Queen of Pentacles. So that's the Hierophant card. Hierophant is Taurus energy and it talks about marriage commitment. Okay, higher level of commitment between two people. Now it could be a situation for some of you that you are enjoying the luxuries of life because you may be married to somebody who's really wealthy. That's some of you, or vice versa. Okay, that somebody else is married to you but you have all the luxuries of life. Okay, and so they are also enjoying that as your partner. Now the third card that I see for you is the Nine of Wands, which means that there's some kind of stress, exhaustion, anxiety that you're going through. Let's take a clarifying card here to understand what is the reason for this exhaustion that you're going through. So the card that I see here is Death. Now death means that there is some kind of transformation which is required in this recent relationship or a scenario or something that you're going on in the recent past. Okay, so there is a transformation which is required. Till the time that transformation doesn't happen, you will go through that exhaustion, you will go through that tiredness, and you'll feel that this is just not fair. Okay, now let's also take one card here from the Monology Oracle deck to see what is the message that we have for you. So the message that I see here is, don't let pride get in your way. Now this is a very important message for a lot of us. Pride and ego plays a big role in destroying relationships. Okay, so be careful if there was a situation or an argument or some kind of conversation between you and your person where pride and ego took over, then just step back, think if this is the right time to talk or not. If you are not in that right frame of mind, just take some time and then go ahead and take any decision or take any action. So don't ever let pride come in your way. Okay, that's the message for you. Now this is all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. It keeps me motivated to create videos for all of you every week. And with this, like I always say, please stay safe, love yourself first.